Here I have Oppo A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to speed this device up. So to do this, firstly you will have to open Phone Manager app, which you have pre-installed on your device. Tap Get Started, allow. After that it will make like automatic scan of all the features of your device, which could be optimized, fixed somehow. All you need to do is to just tap this optimize button, and it automatically like makes a system cleanup, privacy protection and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, my device is like 100% okay, but you should go check yourself out too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.